Hey everybody, Josh Mills here, and today we're just doing a quick shootout at a local pond right here in Point Pleasant Beach Borough, New Jersey. I'm gonna have Miss Jenny B as the model. That's Jenny B Official on Instagram, and I'm fixing to call her over from the Jeep. Today I am shooting the Nikon D810 with the Sigma 85mm art. That's a 1.4 prime lens. I am going to be shooting it pretty wide open for some shallow depth of field and a high shutter speed, but I'm going to be using high speed sync with the Godox or Flashpoint AD600 in a CheetahStand quick SoupBowl 26" or QSB 26.
Hey guys, Jenny B Official. Hey guys, Jenny B Official. We are doing a shoot today, and we are going to start it now because I'm cold. Okay, love you guys. Bye.
All right. So basically, I want you like right here. All right. Ooh, that's pretty, actually. Love it when you get it on the first shot. All right, I'm shooting at a shutter speed of 64/100ths of a second, and I'm shooting at 2.2, which gives me a little bit of depth of field, so she's all nice and in focus, but the background is way behind her, so it's all gonna be just a nice blurry bokeh effect, which separates her from the background. I like that because I get nice rim light from the sun, and then I'm getting a nice fill light from this. I am going to bring it in just a little bit though. By the way, that is the CheetahStand Quick Boom. I highly recommend getting one. It allows you to get your light out over your subject by yourself and not have a stand in the way.
That lady like slowed down to give me a dirty look.
All right, we're good. So you can go through your poses.
Okie dokie, Smokey.
Okie dokie, Smokey. That's a pretty face you have there.
Thanks.
Nice. Beautiful. Yeah. All right, let's turn you on the bench more with your legs this way. Up. Don't look cold. That's the shot right there. Nice. Beautiful. Ooh, I like that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I'm gonna get a couple a little closer for that. Really fluff that hair out because the wind's catching it just a little bit and giving it some flow. Awesome. Right there, beautiful. If you want, you can do it for yourself. That's fine. our shots actually already.
Yeah.
We don't need a whole lot of time. I do like that though. All right, guys, that's it. Quick, we were in and out like 5 minutes here. Like I said, I'm shooting high-speed sync since I'm shooting such a fast shutter speed, which allows me to still use that flash even though I'm shooting at 1/6400th of a second. And basically what I did is I underexposed the background by about 1.5 stops to 2 stops. That way she's going to be very well exposed, but the background's going to be dark, which is really going to help with the separation from the background, in addition to the shallow depth of field.